Kung ano kung kaya may nakapawala sa iyo, puno ka, and the relation becomes that. So what happens? Magsugod na ang inyong relationship with the state of animosity and reflection. Nag-ahinay na kayo. Pero ngayon, boyfriend and girlfriend pa man mo, may busad ko. Okay? At ano ako, instead of animosity, there's no reason why you're still gonna stay. But some of you still stay. So anyway, I'm just saying, kung taas ganin mo o gana, protective ganin mo kasi yung relationships. Conflict number 3, mistakes and shortcomings. Dali magubag na tarong in your relationship. But if you're a B, this is good. Your love made you find ways to understand your partner's shortcomings. The deeper you became to understand his or her limitations, the stronger your relationship became. This is acceptance. Ito din, dali din makuha ninyo ang strength sa inyong relationships. Kanang nanda ka, nakakita na ka shortcomings, so you were able to understand it, na may abilities yan. Then this is his weaknesses. And di ka mo anchor sa inyong strength sa inyong relationships. Again, dili na married ha, ikaw ha, daghan na kay karsaan, pupuno na kayo sa dili na